Professional versus DIY deep cleaning, which is better for your home. Maintaining a spotless home requires more than surface cleaning. When it comes to deep cleaning, you may wonder whether to do it yourself or hire professionals. Both methods have unique benefits, but the right choice depends on your needs, time, and budget. What is DIY deep cleaning? DIY deep cleaning means taking care of your home with your own tools and products. It usually includes scrubbing, vacuuming, mopping, and sanitizing every corner. This option gives you full control over how and when you clean. Advantages of DIY deep cleaning: cost-effective. You save money by avoiding professional service fees. Flexibility. Clean whenever it fits your schedule. Personal touch. You decide which products and techniques to use. Challenges of DIY cleaning. While affordable, DIY cleaning has limits. It can be time-consuming, especially for large homes. You may lack access to industrial-grade tools. Stubborn stains or deep dirt may not be fully removed. What is professional deep cleaning? Professional deep cleaning services use trained experts, advanced machines, and specialized products. They target hidden dirt, bacteria, and allergens that regular cleaning often misses. Advantages of professional deep cleaning: high-quality results. Professionals deliver spotless, long-lasting cleanliness. Time-saving. Your home is cleaned quickly, without effort on your part. Drawbacks of professional cleaning. The biggest drawback is cost. Professional services can be expensive, especially for large areas. Scheduling may also require flexibility to match their availability. Which one should you choose? Choose DIY if you want affordability and don't mind investing time. It's ideal for small homes and regular upkeep. Opt for professionals if you need thorough cleaning, have limited time, or want guaranteed results.